Imagine software offers a rich set of derived data for user evaluation. Using the Imagine financial platform, you can now craft your own in-depth analyses using Imagine's wealth of derived data. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to access Imagine's implied volatility data for equity derivative securities within the Imagine trading system and, more robustly, using the Imagine financial platform. Imagine's historical time series analyzer provides access to historical implied volatility data within the system. To access the historical time series analyzer, simply click Tools Historical Time Series. Let's examine the behavior of implied volatility in relation to the underlying stock price of Google. To do so, we'll evaluate the at-the-money implied volatility time series for the 30-day expiration of Google from June 3rd with the underlying Google price series during the same time period. Using this standard trading system functionality, we can view this large set of data, but we are limited to viewing two time series simultaneously and are unable to manipulate the data mathematically. Therefore, we'll use the Imagine financial platform to build on and enhance this implied volatility data set. To do so, let's create an Imagine app that grabs time series data and calculates the difference between strikes. This allows us to evaluate the changes in implied volatility relative to stock price in both data table format and graphical representation. This app grabs the following time series data: date, underlying stock price, 80%, 90%, 95%, 100%, 105%, 110%, and 120% at-the-money strikes. Upon capturing this diversified time series data, the app applies some simple arithmetic to the outputted data and calculates the difference between the 90%, 110%, and 100% at-the-money strikes. Let's run this app now. In the app inputs, we'll enter Google for the symbol, 30 for the implied vol term, and June 3rd and July 5th for the start and end dates. We'll also want to see the graphed output. The app output displays all resulting volatility data and the difference between the 100% and 90% at-the-money strikes, the difference between 110% and 100% at-the-money strikes, and the difference between the 90% and 110% at-the-money strikes. We can also view the graphical representation of 90%, 100%, and 110% at-the-money volatilities. For access to the app evaluated in this demo, click here.